Can you guess how many numbers can divide 75 perfectly without leaving a remainder? So let's find out 75 is just another number or something special. So what are factors? So factors are numbers that divide another number without leaving remainder. So we are looking for all numbers that divide 75 completely. So start checking from 1. So 1 divided by 75 is 75, or we can say that, write it like this, 75. Now 75 is an odd number, so we cannot divisible by 2, comes to 3, it gives 25. Now it cannot divisible by 4 as well. So 75 divided by 5 gives 15. Now comes to 75 divided by 15 gives 5. 75 divided by 25 gives 3. And 75 divided by 75 gives 1. So complete list of factors of 75 are 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. So please subscribe to my channel for more math questions, and if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down. Thank you so much for watching this video.